labantwana liyakhala kuThixo, imiphefumulo yabo ibuyele kuTata Jehovah. The blood of the children are crying out to God, crying out to God. Bafile abantwana, babulela abazali, liyaphalazwa igazi elimsulwa labantwana. Innocent blood, innocent blood. Isono esikhulu phambi koThixo. Bayakhala abantwana, bayakhalela ukuphila. They want to live. The children are crying. They want to live.